wanaendelea vizuri. Day 2 of that leg. Tuko ndani ya Guthiie na vile mmeambiwa.
We have won the 2 matches of this schedule in Malaba. We won yesterday against Army 3-0. Today we have won against Prison 3-1. So far we are still unbeaten until the final leg, but it's coming soon. So we hope to maintain the unbeaten record until up to the playoffs. So far so good. So not bad. We are trying the new setter and he's working on very well. So far the competition is not bad, but the gelling together of the team is still a problem. Because some of my players were in the national team and the others were playing locally, in the training in the KCB club. So you need time to gel again together, then you can perform much better than what we have done today. And we are trying the new setter and he's working.